Imagine a robot that doesn't just move, but glows and reacts while it moves. With MBot 2 and Python, you can control it to drive in all directions, forward, backward, and turning left or right, like a smart car you're fully commanding. But here's the fun part. At the same time, you can make its LEDs change colors, so it might flash green while moving, turn blue when rotating, and glow red when it stops. It feels less like coding and more like bringing your own robot to life with personality and style. In just a few simple steps inside MBlock, you turn basic commands into a moving, glowing machine that reacts to everything you do, and that's where it gets really addictive.
So as you can see here, I wrote this code using Python. First I import the library CyberPy and input 2, then we gonna display on the input 2 movement, A for start moving, then after that while true or why not, keep pressed A pressed. When keep A pressed, CyberPy will display, for example, it go move forward for 1 second, then it's gonna move backward for 1 second, then it's gonna move left, right and left with 70 RPM speed. So if you like such videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button below.